Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Today in this video we are diving into world of plant decor. Whether you are a green thumb or just looking to add a splash of life to your space, plants are a fantastic way to bring vibrancy and freshness into your home. Let's explore some stylish way to incorporate plant decor into your living space. First up, let's talk about the classic, the statement piece, the feather leaf wig, with its large glossy leaves and striky appearance. It's perfect for adding a touch of drama to any room. Just be sure it gets plenty of indirect sunlight and regular watering to keep those leaves looking their best. Next, we have the snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law tongue. This hardy plant is not only a low maintenance beauty but also a natural air purifier. It uprightly make it a great choice for adding vertical interest to your decor. For a splash of color and a touch of whimsy, look no further than the string of pearl. These trailing succulents are perfect for hanging planters or shelves, creating a cascading effect that adds a unique element to your decor. Plus, they are super easy to take care of. Let's not forget about the versatile pothos. With its heart-shaped leaf and trailing vines, the pothos is perfect for draping over shelves, bookshelves, or even in hanging baskets. It's incredibly forgiving and thrives in various light conditions. If you are into a modern minimalism, consider incorporating succulents. Their unique shape and compact size make them ideal for sleek, stylish planters. From geometrical to minimalistic pots, succulents can fit into any decor style with ease. And don't overlook the beauty of air plant. These quirky, soil-free wonders can be displayed in all sorts of creative ways, from glass to driftwood display. They are fun and flexible way to add greenery without taking up too much space. Finally, remember that the right planter can be important as the plant itself. From bohemian macrame to hanger to sleek, contemporary pots, choosing the right vessel can elevate your plant decor and complement your overall look. And there you have it, some fantastic way to incorporate plant decor into your home. Which plant are you most excited to add to your space? Let us know in the comment below. Looking to brighten up your workspace, the double Z plant with the glossy dark leaf is an excellent choice. It's incredibly low maintenance and can thrive into light condition, making it perfect for office or study areas. For a pop of color and tropical feel, consider a bird of paradise. Its large banana-like leaves can bring a touch of the exotic to your home. Just make sure it gets plenty of bright indirect sunlight and regular watering to keep it look its best. Let's talk about adding plant to your smaller space. The lucky bamboo is a fantastic option. It's compact, versatile, and can be grown in water or soil. Place it in a window sill or small table for a touch of scenery and good fortune. For those who love a bit of greenery in kitchen, try the herb garden. Fresh basil, mint, and rosemary not only look great on countertop but also add delightful flavor to your cooking. A little sunlight and regular trimming will keep these herbs thriving. And many more plant ideas. And if you want the more designing ideas and more videos about this type of design, this type of plants, then viewers just leave the comment. Iconic split leaves can become a focal point in any room. It's relatively easy to take care for. Just give it bright, indirect sunlight and keep the soil consistently moist. For a playful touch, why not try a plant shelf or a plant ladder? This stylish stand can hold multiple plants and add vertical interest to your space. Mix and match different plant types and size for dynamic eye-catching display. Hanging plant can also be a game changer, considering installing wall-mounted plant or macrame hanger to elevate your greenery. Plant like the spider plant or English ivy are perfect for this type of display, creating a cascading effect that draws the eye upward. And let's not forget about plant care. To keep your plant looking their best, be mindful of their specific light and water need. Invest in a good watering can and use a moisture meter if you are unsure when to water. Regular cleaning of leaf can help your plant stay healthy and vibrant. If you are dealing with low light condition, consider adding grow light to give your plant the boost they need. They come in various styles and can be a great way to ensure your plant get enough light even in darker spaces. Finally, don't underestimate the power of plant grouping. Combining plants of different height, textures, and colors can create a rich, layered look that adds depth and interest to your decor. Arrange them on table, shelves, or even on the floor for a cohesive and inviting display. And there you have it, even more way to bring life and beauty into your home with plant decor. Which idea you try first? Just leave the comment. Let's talk about the stylish and sophisticated plant, also known as Chinese money plant. Its round, coin-shaped leaves and unique growth pattern make it a trendy choice for a contemporary space. Place it on a pedestal or decorative stand to showcase its beauty. For a touch of elegance, consider adding the more purified water for the growth of your plant. With its striking petal leaves and rich color, it's perfect for adding a bit of drama to any room. It thrives in low to medium light and enjoy a bit of humidity, making it ideal for bathroom or kitchen. If you are looking to create a mini jungle, the rubber plant is a fantastic option. Its large glassy leaves can add a bold statement to your space. Its prefer light, indirect light and can grow quite tall, making it perfect for filling empty corners. For those who want to add a touch of greenery to smaller space, the cactus collection is a great choice. From classic shapes to quirky decorative varieties, cacti can bring a unique element to your decor. They are also incredibly low maintenance, requiring minimal watering. Hanging plant can make a significant impact without taking up floor space. Try incorporating a bird nest fern or more hanging basket. Their lush foliage and trailing growth can make them perfect for adding greenery at eye level. For a natural rustic feel, considering incorporating plants into wooden planter or crates. Plants like the ivy or the golden pothole look stunning in these type of container and then can blend beautifully with farmhouse or bohemian decor style. If you're a fan of DIY project, create your own terrarism. These glass container can house various small plants like succulent, air plant, or moss. Arrange them with pebbles, sands, or soil for a customized.